Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So I'm going to plan today in my Hemlock Oak B5 Minimalist Planner for the month of February, and the theme for February is Sunday Brunch. If you're new, I use the Coffee Monsterz Co kits to do my monthlies, and I'll link below the haul where I go through the full collection. But for now, I'll do a quick flip through of what I'm going to be using, and then we'll get started in setting up the February overview.
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Want to be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind.
Now it's time to set up the monthly spread, and then we'll be able to start putting in all our plans.
I fell in love with who I thought you were, someone who'd never wanna see me hurt. But I was fooled by all your vows and words, no longer. We built a house when we were 21. Now I know I ain't never felt like home. Who can predict the future when they're young? Ooh, I wonder. You call and keep on asking, is it too late for us? The answer I keep giving, isn't it obvious? Our love has turned to nothing. But before I go, you should know, should know. You owe me years and years of happy times. You owe me tears and tears, 'cause I'm all out. Yeah, you were the worst kind of pain, but you were the pain that I needed to change. So I owe you too, yeah, too. best to fit in with your crew. Got close with all your friends, but never you. You shut me out and gave me attitude.
Right, now it's time to get all the plans in. So I'm going to start on the 2nd with this little label and a balloon to mark my mum's birthday. And I've been using these new kits now throughout January and I'm really enjoying them, and I'm glad I went with the kit for a change from last year using the dots. But anyway, yes, then I'm putting in another little box and writing in that I'm going to have some annual leave. It's my husband's birthday on the 10th and I'll mark that with another label and a balloon, but I decided to book a little spontaneous week's annual leave even though we're not necessarily doing anything. And then I checked my reference at the back of the planner and decided to go with 553, and I'm going to use it to draw a little line across where I'm on annual leave. I hadn't put the days in yet, so I went ahead and got those put down. Next I'm going to put in my little label for Valentine's Day on the 14th, and then I have a label for Pancake Day on the 17th and Lunar New Year on the 17th. And then on the 20th I have Payday, so I put down this longer label up at the top and a little note icon from the kit and wrote Payday. And then on the 21st it is my sister-in-law's birthday and I used another label and a balloon for that. Last thing I needed to mark in then was on the 28th. I have a hair appointment, so I took one of the labels that have a checklist on it and cut it off and then placed it down and then wrote in my little appointment time. And that will be all the plans in then for the month and everything all organised and ready to go. So the last thing then I'll need to do is set up my February review.
Straw to the fire, turn the boxes right side down. Tired pulling every day, all the shifting, can we take it? Drawing circles in the sand, washing out new plans, sing out blue whale, old man.
See